Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For Alamance, Forsyth, Guilford and Person counties, an ice storm warning is in effect from 4 a.m. Sunday to midnight Sunday night. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: portions of the northwest and northern Piedmont of North Carolina, including the Piedmont Triad region. Hazard types: freezing rain. Significant icing is possible, especially on elevated surfaces such as trees and power lines. Timing: freezing rain will develop from the south late tonight and then last much of the day on Sunday. The precipitation should change over to all rain by Sunday night. Main impacts: ice is expected to accumulate on trees and power lines. There may be power outages. Roads may also become hazardous, especially the bridges and overpasses. Ice accumulations: up to a quarter-inch of icing possible on elevated surfaces. Ice accumulations and winds may lead to snapped power lines and falling tree branches that